Hello, my name is Joe Anason, a junior in the Applied Investment Management program at Marquette University, covering international materials. Today we'll be pitching NanoXplore, ticker NNXPF, to be added to the AIM International Fund. NanoXplore was established in 2011 by Sarosh Nazapur and is headquartered in Montreal, Canada. The company manufactures and supplies high-volume graphene powder for use in industrial markets. Graphene is derived from graphite and is a 2D material, meaning it can be as small as one layer of carbon atoms. The atoms are arranged in a honeycomb structure. One method to produce graphene is through exfoliation of graphite, a mechanochemical process that uses flake graphite, water, and hydroelectricity. This leaves a lower carbon footprint than carbon production, which is produced from partial combustion of gaseous or liquid hydrocarbons. NanoXplore has subsidiaries located in Canada, Switzerland, and the US, and 45.2% of revenue comes from Canada, 42.5% from the US, 4.9% from France, 3.8% from Switzerland, and 3.6% from other countries. Graphene is an emerging material, and the company identified a 1,200 kiloton of graphene per year total addressable market, excluding energy storage. Currently, NanoXplore has the largest global graphene production capacity at 35% of the market share, with current production capacity at 4,000 tons per year. The firm provides standard and custom graphene enhanced plastics and composite products to customers in the transportation, packaging, electronics, and other industrial sectors for numerous products such as plastics, tires, cements, batteries, and paints. NanoXplore is fully certified by the US EPA, Canada Health, REACH, and is in the process of receiving FDA certification. Their production process is patented. The company has no annual export volume limitations to the US and has multi-year agreements to supply graphene to Tacmer, PM, and Gerdau Grapheno. It is recommended that NanoXplore be added to the AIM International Fund with a price target of $4.44, representing a 42.01% upside. Graphene was discovered in 2004, but further research and production scalability held it back from the commercial market. NanoXplore's patented production process allows mass production and is fully automated, modular, and their modules can produce different grades of graphene black. Graphene is more efficient as a reinforcing additive than carbon. When carbon and graphene reinforced rubber were compared to each other, the carbon black reinforced rubber was about half as stiff as graphite and had a lower tear strength. Carbon black still underperformed to graphene even when the carbon level in the rubber was increased and the graphene level was not increased. The graphene market is expected to grow at 40% CAGR from 2021 to 2028. NanoXplore could increase their production capacity 3 times by 2025. My second driver is new applications. NanoXplore is using graphene in their 50-50 joint venture with Martin Marietta International called VoltaXplore. VoltaXplore will manufacture graphene lithium-ion batteries for electric transportation and grid storage. Graphene is being used to replace carbon black in the batteries due to improved conductivity and heat management. VoltaXplore's technology has been validated and they have commissioned a 1 megawatt-hour demonstration facility. Their batteries with 3 ampere-hour capacity have a range of 18 to 25 ampere-hour charge/discharge, whereas competitor batteries with a similar capacity only have a 10 to 15 ampere-hour charge/discharge. VoltaXplore is anticipating starting construction of a 2 gigawatt-hour battery plant in mid-2022, and production to start in 2024. This facility has a production capacity of 130 million cells per year. This venture will add 4 cents and 17 cents to EPS in 2026 and 2027 respectively. My third driver is that NanoXplore is on the cusp of profitability. Over the last 5 years, NanoXplore has been focusing on research and development and positioning themselves to bring their graphene to the market. Through strategic acquisitions and agreements, NanoXplore is set to be EBITDA positive by Q4 2022 and have positive net income in 2023. This is primarily due to the growth of graphene sales. The graphene modules provide a 50% EBITDA margin on graphene revenues. The company disclosed that they will max out graphene production capacity in 2023. Economies of scale will benefit VoltaXplore as production increases. VoltaXplore gross profit margin is projected to improve from 16% to 24% from 2025 to 2028. To reach an intrinsic value for NanoXplore, a 7-year DCF model was created. Using a terminal growth rate of 2% and a WACC of 10.25%, intrinsic value of $4.34 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of the terminal growth rate of plus minus 50 basis points and WACC of plus minus 100 basis points range in value from $3.55 to $5.48. Additionally, an EV to sales multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple of 13.43 times, resulting in a relative value of $5.25. Further, a price-to-book value multiple was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple of 7.07 times, resulting in a relative value of $4.19. By weighing these models 80, 12.5, and 7.5, a price target of $4.44 was reached, representing a 42.01% upside. NanoXplore faces a variety of risks. First, raw material costs have been increasing and the supply chain was disrupted from COVID-19. Any new major disruption could delay graphene production and sales. The next risk is if companies are slow to adopt graphene use. As it is a new material, some companies may require their own in-house testing and may take longer to make the switch to using graphene. Lastly, NanoXplore's pension is in a deficit. Under Swiss law, the collective foundation responsible for the fund management can ask for equal contribution from the employer, employee, and pensioners, which could tie up cash flow. Dr. Sarosh Nazapur is the founder, CEO, and director of the board of directors of NanoXplore, and is the CEO of VoltaXplore. Dr. Nazapur is an expert in the field of graphene. Luc Velou is the CFO of NanoXplore and has over 20 years of executive management experience. Rob Vildeboer is the vice chairman of the board and is the current chairman and co-founder of Martin Ria International Inc., the joint venture company of VoltaXplore. The board of directors have extensive knowledge and expertise in manufacturing, mining, or related activities. 2 of the 8 board members are female. If you have any questions or would like to contact me, please use the email address listed on the slide.